welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, what I have for you today is a haul. And it is a very small haul. It's Walmart, Dollar Tree, and one thing from Hobby Lobby, okay? So let's hop right on into it. I have some clothing and some decor pieces. So let's see what I found this week, all right? Let's start off with Walmart. Okay, I went back. Many of you may remember where I told you when I have that green and white striped shirt that I got it at Walmart, and I did. Well, I picked this one up as well. And it's so pretty. I love it. It has that little pocket. It's not expensive, and it's perfect for summer. So this is one of my new shirts. Then I found this one. Look at this. Look at those sleeves. I love how they look. Kind of like a balloon sleeve, but smaller. All right. I love that. I think it's a black stripe, or it could be a dark, dark navy, but I think it's black. Love this. It's time and true, and I got a small, and it was $11.98. Cannot wait to wear this. I think it's going to look so pretty, okay? Then I picked up, if I see something I like, I tend to get multiples. I got it in this pretty, like, salmon color. It's exactly the same, but just a different color. Is that not perfect for spring and summer? I love it. I can just see it with some white shorts, jean shorts, anything would look really pretty. All right. Then one more shirt. Okay, this one I thought was really cute. They had it in white, but I wanted to get this color, this blue. Look at that. Look at that sleeve. And I love how it flares out, but yet it's short sleeve, and it kind of comes down and hides the top part of your arm. And I love how it's cut in like this. It gives you a slimming appearance, so it helps slim you. I love it. You can see how it's just cut in right there. I think it is so pretty. It was time and true, and I got a small again. Now this one was $14.98. They had it in white, but like I said, I was afraid the white would be a little too thin, but I think this is going to be beautiful, all right? So that's all the clothes, all right? So let's run to Hobby Lobby real quick. I went in there, and their floral and the garland was 50% off. So I picked this up. It's their natural baby breath garland, and it's doubled here, so it doesn't look that long, but I love this stuff. It was regularly $15.99, but 50% off. You can cut this stuff up. You can just lay it around. You cannot go wrong with this beautiful garland, okay? Now, Target's dollar spot for one item. Look what I found. Is that not adorable? So cute. It's ceramic. It was $5. I think this will look so cute hanging in there on at my drink station on that little peg area that I have. Oh, so pretty. And you can see it's pretty large, okay? Now to the Dollar Tree, okay? I walked in, and like I said, ours is a Dollar Tree Plus. And I saw this wreath, and you know I'm doing a lemon theme for summer. Look at that wreath. Is that not everything? Picked it up. It was $5. You cannot beat that. It's on a little bit of a grapevine form right there on this white ring. Look at those lemons. It has 4 lemons, and then look at all that greenery. So pretty. So I wanted to get that. Then while I was in there, they have the cutest little things in there. This was $5 as well. And look at this greenery. It almost looks like kale to me. It's so pretty. And then you get this really cute little metal container that's galvanized. You could decorate these with the molds, the stamps. You could leave it alone. You could put a little bow, whatever you want to do. But look at that, how adorable that is. And I like how it kind of comes over. So I had to get that. Then I had to get this one. I couldn't help myself. Look at this. This looks like basil to me. So pretty. And it was $5 as well. I love these Dollar Tree pluses. So awesome. But look at that. It looks so realistic. And if you look down in there, it looks like it's got some dirt down in there. But I love this. Same principle. You could totally remake this or leave it alone. It would be so pretty in your kitchen or wherever you wanted to put it. I may put it in my farmhouse hutch. I'm not sure, okay? Then when I was in the Dollar Tree, I needed another sanding sponge. So I picked this up. You cannot beat these. $1.25 is a good deal for that. You can do so much. Use this for so many things. Sanding wood or just distressing. Love it. And to me, it's easy to fit my hand. So I like that about it, okay? Then I picked up another one of these. I'm wondering if when I do my molds that I could use this to kind of scrape over the mold. I know IOD has those silicone scrapers, but they're kind of pricey. And I was thinking I might be able to turn this over and do the same thing and save my hand. So I picked that up. Then I saw these little mixing cups in the craft section for $3, okay? I'd never seen them before. You get 12 pieces, and I'm going to be doing Christmas in July this year, and I'm putting stuff back, let me tell you. And I'm thinking I may use this for some resin, mixing up resin, okay? So I thought this was a great deal. So the last thing I found is some wax paper. It's good to have around. You get 65 square feet. And I thought that could come in handy if you really want to just put it in the microwave or whatever you want to do. Since I have my little mat that I put down from Amazon, I don't really need to use this for crafting anymore. But you never know. I was wondering if I could take some wax paper, cut it, and put it in my junk journal. It's a thought. So that's everything that I found at, let's see, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and the Dollar Tree, and that one little trip into Target's Dollar Spot for this week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Easter. I'm pre-filming this, so we're supposed to do some things. So I don't know if we actually did them or not. I'll have to let future Tanya let you know. But I'm excited. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Maggie says hi. Says hello. How are you? She says, I'm a good girl. I'm just watching to see what I can see walk by. Yes. So I might have to spring into action any moment. So until next time. Bye, guys.